Did you know, though we may seem apart, with varied hues, beliefs, and customs, our DNA whispers a truth profound, 99.9% alike, a shared bond unbound. Why is tolerance so rare, so low? Why do we claim right, and others wrong? What makes one more, another less? Would empathy grow if we walked in their shoes? You are black, I am white, but birth is not our choice. Who owns the air? Who claims the earth? Are we not guardians for those yet to come? Why teach hate and intolerance, when love should be our song? War, hate, and fear have no place here, on this fragile planet. In the grand cosmic scheme, invisible microbes gave us life, and the unseen can take it away. Be careful what you wish, and celebrate our differences, for we are one human family, with one common goal, to create a haven for future generations, a world where love and unity make us whole.